Hey, so right now I want to talk about buttons on Showit, and we're going to create one from scratch. Now, if you want to edit a button, it's the same kind of way that we're going to do it here, but half the features will already be there, so you don't need to do them. So I've made a little about page here, which is just kind of cropped for some home information. So we're going to create a button for it down here on our about section that will lead to the about page. So the first thing I want to do is make my canvas a little bit bigger. So you can scroll here and extend it, or you can use the buttons here to extend it. There we go. So from here, that's extended this one, but it has not extended the mobile one. So you're gonna have to, I treat mobile and desktop like they're two individual things because sometimes you'll make changes on one, they won't pull through. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to get a rectangle and I'm going to make sure it's the same width. And center it. That looks about right. There we go. I'll just line them up there just to make sure. Oh, there we go. So we've got the background and you'll see it's pulled in really weird here. So once we've got that, I want some text on it. Kind of, we've got the background of the button, we need the actual text for it. So I'm going to pull through some subheading text. No. What does the title text look like? No. Let's go subheading. And it's the same color, so I'm going to go to text styles. I'm going to make it white. And I'm also going to make it capital and a bit bigger as well. Oh no, I don't like that capital. I'm going to make it bigger, so let's go size 20. And I'm just going to stretch it from one side to the other so it kind of covers the space anyone can click on. And then going to align it to the middle. Double click, learn more. So once we've done that, we want to then connect it to the page. So I click on this and I go click actions, page, about. And the same with the background, just in case anyone clicks the edge of it, page, about on click actions. So what you'll notice is on the mobile version, the layout hasn't pulled through, but the click actions have, so we don't need to worry about that. So what we need to do right now is just stretch the canvas down a little bit here. Again, you can use the canvas links on the right hand side, and we're going to take this and just size it. Here we go, learn more. So here's a little trick you can do. If you click on the desktop version and copy, and then you click on the mobile version and use the paste tool, but also hold shift at the same time, it will pull through the same design settings. So we don't need to play about with the text anymore. And then we align that up. So now, if I go here, preview our new page, our button, takes us to the about page. So that all works fine. We do have the options as well. So if you're wanting to edit a button and you're ready for something like this, we can click on it, click actions, and you can change the page it links to, or you can change the back of a button in the shape styles. You can change it to a different color, whatever you like. And then again, just copy it and then paste and shift on mobile, and it will pull the same styles through. And that is how you edit and change buttons on Showit.